Introducing Spotlight, the SPO2 functional tester that's the newest member of the ProSim family, and its use with the Impulse 7000 defibrillator transcutaneous pacer analyzer. And we're going to test a defibrillator that has both pacing and pulse oximetry built in. It also has shock advisory in an AED mode that we're going to test. So we'll do a pretty thorough test following as closely as possible the manufacturer's written recommended procedure for doing this test. My friend Jamie Smart is going to read the manufacturer's tests that we're doing, and I will perform the tests using Spotlight and the Impulse 7000. So Jamie, if you're ready.
I'm ready, thanks Jerry. So the first thing that we wanted to do was connect the 5-lead ECG cable between the device under test and the Impulse 7000, as you can see on the video. We're now going to program the Impulse 7000 output for a 60 beat per minute NSR.
Set up for 60 beats per minute, normal sinus rhythm.
We're going to set the device under test lead selection to lead 1.
Setting to lead 1.
Now set it to lead 2.
Setting to lead 2.
Remove the left leg lead from the patient simulator.
Removing the left leg lead from the patient simulator.
Verify that the device under test displays a left lead off screen message.
The left leg lead off screen message is displayed.
Now reconnect the left leg lead. At this point, we want to also make sure that the alarms are on our device under test.
Alarms are on. Let's make sure we have a 60 beats per minute. And I want lead 2. Quick set. Alarms are on.
At this point, we're going to test the delivered energy. So we will set up the device under test and the Impulse using the Quick Connect cables.
Quick Connect cables, and the Quick Connect cable adapter is connected to the Impulse 7000.
We're going to select the Energy Select button and select 2 joules.
So I've selected defib, Energy Select, and we're setting for 2 joules on the defibrillator. 2 joules is selected.
Now we'll press the charge button and wait for the device under test to reach a full charge.
Charging, discharging. 2.0 joules measured.
Well within the acceptable output of 1 to 3 joules. Now at this point, you want to change your ProSim Spotlight to Custom Setting 3 for hypertension.
Custom Setting 3 selected.
Also, you want to set the wave on the Impulse 7000 to VFib and the convert to no convert.
VFib selected on waveform. Wave conversion set to no convert.
Now, to test the AED functionality, we want to press Analyze on the device under test.
Pressing the AED mode Analyze button.
Stand clear. Shock advised. Stand clear. Push to shock.
Discharging. 201.0 joules measured, no conversion.
Finally, we will move on to our pacer testing.
So for this test, in order to select the proper loads, I will move the connection to the pacer posts. I'll select pacer mode on Impulse 7000 and ensure that the brand of pacer is selected. This automatically selects my load value, and that my input jacks are selected for the pacer posts to which I've just connected. And then I'll press done. Impulse 7000 is set up for pacer measurement.
In order to get the device under test ready, you will need to press the pacer control on the device under test.
Pacer is selected, LED is lit.
Now we want to disconnect one of the test post adapters from the Impulse 7000. Verify once disconnected, the pacer stopped, connect electrodes overlay appears, along with an audible alarm.
Disconnecting one of the leads. Pacing, pacer stopped, and the symbol for connect electrodes is displayed, and the alarm is sounding.
Reconnect the test post adapter and verify that the connect electrodes disappears and that the alarm stops.
The display is disappeared and the alarm has stopped.
Now we want to do the pacer output measurements. At 40 ppm rate, press the device under test current button to select a pacer current of 10 milliamps.
40 ppm selected, 10 milliamps selected.
Verify that the Impulse 7000 indicates the pacer output current is within the range of 5 to 15 milliamps.
The amplitude of the current measured is 12.66 milliamps. Now you've seen how we can combine the use of both Spotlight SPO2 functional tester and the Impulse 7000 defibrillator transcutaneous pacer analyzer to complete a defibrillator pacer test, including the shock advisory AED mode and the alarm settings of the defibrillator.